This low-calorie, savory meal makes the perfect lunch or snack, and it doesn't break the bank. Let's get started. Begin by slicing your onion. Then prepare half a medium-sized cucumber, thinly sliced or into shoestrings. And then stay tuned and come back next week for another high-protein, budget-friendly meal. Next, take fresh or frozen mushrooms. Add them to a lightly greased pan over medium to high heat. Let them cook for a few minutes until they soften and begin to brown. Season with black pepper, a generous amount, or adjust to suit your flavor palette. Add a splash of light soy sauce and mix everything well. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like, share and subscribe for more simple budget-friendly meals. Once the mushrooms and onions are nicely stir-fried, it's time to assemble the sandwich. Start with the cucumber strips. Followed by the mushrooms and onion stir fry. Add the avocados on top, sliced or in chunks, however you like the texture. And like that, your sandwich is done. If you enjoyed this video, you might also enjoy the other ones in this series.